Hi, today I want to talk about this watch. Yes, you are right. Okay, it's a Rolex Submariner. Actually, I have a Cartier and there are roles to talk about, but I'm sorry to bring this forward because I received a call from AD few days ago, and she told me that this is available for me. Okay, so please don't ask me now how do I get it, any way to get one for me, or how. Okay, I will take another video to talk about it, about ways to get sport watches in Rolex. I'm in Malaysia actually. I will share more about that. Okay, we look at the watch first. Okay, so this is the new Rolex Submariner 126610 LN. Okay, it's a 41 mm. Okay, black dial, black ceramic bezel. Okay, everything is good. Okay, stickers on. Okay, we put it aside. And then about the card, okay, it's the same, the extra link, the green tag, the white tag, the guarantee card, the menu book, and now, okay, so this is September 26. Yeah, I just got new. So this is the new card. You don't see where is it from, your name. Okay, you don't see your name, it's all in the system. Okay, maybe I'll take another video too, what's the difference of both cards. Okay, so this is 126610 LN. Okay, put this aside. Okay, so let's look at the watch. So this watch is a diver watch, features this double lock system clasps. Yeah, all stickers still on the new watch. Right, so this new watch is bigger than the older one, which is 41 mm versus the 40 mm. Then you can see the lugs has become thinner. The guard here with the crown also becomes smaller. Okay, and then the bracelet, the old one was 20 mm, and then the new one is 21 mm. So the whole watch, I do not own the old one, so I'm not very sure how is it like, but by wearing the new one, I think it's just fit my hand. I wouldn't say it's big or small, just fit. I have a Datejust 41 with me, this Wimbledon dial that I introduced earlier. If I put it side by side, okay, it maybe looks a bit bigger for the Submariner because of this ceramic bezel, but if you wear on hand, I think overall the Submariner looks bigger and is better in style maybe. Okay, but mostly I'll wear my Datejust during the day or the night, and then the Submariner just for the weekend. Okay. Okay, just put this aside. Okay, so this new watch features a 3235 new movement, which are the same with the Datejust, and then they have a longer minute hand and also the seconds hand, where they are touching the index of the dial. Okay, and now for the 3235, it is also COSC certified, and it is now 70 hours power reserve, because I do not wear this watch to work every day, so I need to wind it, maybe not daily, maybe yeah, daily, so that it doesn't stop until the weekend, so I can wear it. Actually, I quite enjoy winding it every day. Okay. And I like the sound of the bezel. Let's listen. Yeah. It sounds so effortless, although it requires some force, but it's smooth. Yeah. If you have other diver watch, you can actually make it a comparison. I might make it in another video too. Okay. Got my hand. Yeah, this is my Asian hand, and everything just fit very well. Yeah, very nice. Okay, overall I'm quite satisfied, and I'm very happy for the whole purchase, for everything just happened over the weekend. Hope you enjoy, guys. I will share a few more videos about this watch and how do I buy it, the new warranty card, and some thoughts after wearing it versus this Datejust, and then how to buy it in the either faster or cheaper way, and then we'll see how. Thank you, bye.